if the source of light is like a slit or a line source, slit or line source, if the light source is like a slit or a line source like a tube light, so what is the nature of wavefront? So if the light is like a slit, it is travel all direction in three-dimensional. Okay, it is like a plane, so all direction, and here also it is traveling like this all direction. So when we are drawing a wavefront, you will get a what? A cylindrical wavefront. You will get a cylindrical wavefront. So I'll explain the nature of the cylindrical wavefront. So drawing like this. Cylindrical wavefront. So this is a slit and this shape is a wavefront. So if the line source or slit. Okay. Next, if the light is traveling in a very far distance, like if the light is coming from infinity. Okay, light is coming from infinity. For example, if the light is coming from sun, so light is travel in parallel. That's why the shape of the wavefront is like a plane. Okay, shape of the wavefront is like a plane wavefront. So this is the shape of the wavefront. Normally it is represented like so if the light is coming like this is the shape of the wavefront. Otherwise we can represent like this. This is traveling in a straight line or parallel. So these are the plane wavefront. So this is a plane wavefront. This is also a plane wavefront. This is a plane wavefront. Okay, plane wavefront. And this is an arrow. So arrow and arrow means ray. Ray and wavefront are perpendicular, mutually perpendicular 90 degrees. This is a very important relation. So ray and wavefront are 90 degree or mutually perpendicular. So if the light is coming from infinity, the wavefront is a plane wavefront. So this is a representation of wavefront. This also a representation of plane wavefront. Okay. And another type of wavefront is if the light is traveling like this. Okay, diverging from a point source. If the light is diverging from a wavefront, so this is a representation of wavefront. Okay, it is the special case of cylindrical wavefront. Spherical wavefront. It is a special case of spherical wavefront. So this is the array and this shape is the wavefront. Okay, so this wavefront is called the diverging wavefront because it is emergent from, it is diverged from a point source. And if the light is converge to the particular point, so this is a wavefront. So this is converging wavefront, this is a diverging wavefront. So depending on the source, different wavefront are there. So one thing you have to remember, the wavefront and ray are mutually perpendicular and the wavefront is a locus of a point having same phase of vibration.